A graph often contains more than one curve. In this example, we'll make one graph which has the supply curve on it and the demand curve. When one graph has more than one curve, we don't typically use two schedules. We combine them and create one schedule for the one graph. You'll notice here that each one of these schedules has a shared column, and that is the price column. Since the price column is the same on both of these schedules, we only need to use one of them. We'll combine the two schedules so that we have three columns that we'll use to create two curves. We'll use the first two columns to create the supply curve, putting the price on the y-axis and the supply on the x. And then we'll use the next two columns to create the demand curve, again putting price on the y-axis and quantity demanded this time on the x-axis. To create the supply curve, we'll take the price of $12 and plot it with the quantity supplied of 132. That'll be a point about right there. When price is $11, the quantity supplied is 120. At $10, the quantity supplied is 108. Once we've plotted all the points, we can connect them to create the supply curve. For the demand curve, we have the price of $12 and the quantity demanded of 40. For $11, we have the quantity demanded of 50. At $10, the quantity demanded of 60. And we'll connect the points to create the demand curve. As you can see, the relationship between the variables for the demand curve is indirect or negative, and the relationship between the variables for the supply curve is direct or positive.